Very good morning. How are you? Today, I would like to discuss about the differences between business analyst and business intelligence. So, everyone very curious to know about the role of business analyst and the role of business intelligent. Typically, the business analyst and business intelligent we interchanges unknowingly. We thought that both are same respective to the role to the project. Seems like that they are doing a similar kind of a role, but we need to know about that, what the role, how they are deployed on the project. Let's say if you see this graph, and there are two axes. Actually, you can see the degree of intelligence and the business value. So this defines the role of BA and BI. So with a BA, business intelligent, they normally what they do is they will develop a standard report or an ad hoc report. A standard report or a canned report, which is as per the business requirement. They will get the requirement from the business, and they will create a report. And ad hoc reports are anytime the business or the management or the high end levels they want the kind of a report immediately based on the needs actually. So it's an ad hoc report. So on top of that, you can see the query drill down. When actually the query drill down is happen is think about that. In a typical, we have around approximately 26 states in India. If a particular brand or a product which is sold out in each status in each state, they want to know about the the sales pattern, how it has happened. So they found that to a particular region or a particular city, they found the sales is decrease much lower than the previous month or a previous quarter or a previous year. At that time, they want to drill down from state to city, city to town, and town to streets, like that. Actually, it's a kind of a drill down they are doing, and they want to identify where the problem occur, what is the problem, and how they can improvise their sales in that particular places actually. And what if there is a problem occur, some alert need to be sent to the higher management or the people who are accessing the report or dashboard. So it's not a manual kind of thing, it's a auto generated. We need to set the threshold. If the particular sales volume which is lesser than a particular amount, then a email or alert need to be sent to their mobile or to the dashboard. When they open the dashboard, they can find the alert is sent to them, or else a text, an email or a message to the email mobile. So that alert. So by seeing that alert, they can immediately look into that area and try to figure out and resolve the issue ASAP. Actually, that's the purpose of alerts. So these four are the building blocks or the layers which predominantly meant for business intelligence. On top of that, see if you are dealing with the minimum data, business intelligence for whatever the data which they are sourced, they can able to do that. What if they want to do a historical analysis and they want to see whether the pattern is appearing over a over a period of 10 years or a period of 15 years, 20 years, they want to do an analysis. Then the analyst will look into that, taking a subset of data and look into that if the pattern is occurring, the pattern is repeating over a year, and they will do a kind of a statistical analysis why it is happening. And the forecast after that, the forecast what you do is the forecast will tell you that. what might be the sales would target value would be in the next quarter or next year or next 3 years. So this is based on the historical data, and they will take the input value from the historical sales value, and they will do the forecasting on top of that, and they will do the forecasting. It is not actual, but it is the expected target of what how the sales will happen in near future. But this is based on the actual data of the current and the previous month or a quarter or a year. And the predictive model is starting, but it's a one level above the forecasting model. And the predictive model will tell that what will be my sales value will happen based on my current sales or the previous year. And the optimization will tell you that how often my model would efficient and cost effective and providing good results for with the model. So the model will be keep on revising or keep on fine tuning and to get the better results. So by saying this is the differences between the business value, business analyst, and the business intelligent actually. You know, a typical project, the business analyst will be the first person who will get the requirement and analyze the results, analyze the data, analyze the pattern, getting all those questions from the business and the client, and they will send out all this their document or the process or everything, pass it to the developer who is working in the umbrella of business intelligence. So the business analyst will start the first phase, and the business intelligence will be the second. And in nowadays, they both business analyst and business interchangeably they are doing their role. It depends on the project as well. And the next thing is we need to know about the statistical analysis, right? Which is a part of the business analysis actually. Typically, there are two groups, descriptive and inferential. And descriptive, we know that the numerical, and there is univariate data, multivariate data. By seeing that, we can see, as well as we can see the graphical thing as well. And we have the see, and the inference also, we have univariate, multivariate. So the variability is nothing but if you compare two-person or two graphs, and you can find how often the variance is between. If you can take the mean of the two groups, you can find the variable. With that variable, we can able to identify the results based out from type of testing and multivariate. You can see that we can see with that with on testing on this difference of mean, variance, proportion, and ANOVA. And the multivariation, we can see the association between the group, and the correlation, we can see regression, cluster and factor analysis, and MANOVA, and multi-level. These are statistical analysis purely done by the business analyst actually. So as of now, I'm just giving a representation what is the statistical analysis to give a kind of a high-level understanding on this actually. On you can see the forecasting, we see that the forecasting the based on the qualitative and the quantitative. On the quantitative, you can see the moving average, exponential smoothing, ANOVA regression model. On the qualitative, you can see the LP, sales executive, and executive option actually. So these are things actually. This is a kind of again with the statistical actually followed by that, and you can see the predictive model. What how happen is, so we need to get the raw data. Uh, First, we need to know about the business objective, or for what business objective we are doing that. Are you working on the sales, or are you working on the more marketing? Are you try to find the churn rate of a product? Or you try to find segment the customer, how you want to segment the customer, how you want to find that repetitive customer who is continuously buying your product over a period. All these things are a kind of a business objective, and especially with the attrition of an employee to a particular organization, they can do. That's also one of the business objective. How can able to do that? So the predictive model will help us a lot in this place actually. and you can see understand your business objective that would be, and then you need to define your the model goals, and you need to model your data and then prepare the data. While you are preparing the data, you need to cleanse the data, you need to remove the unnecessary data, and you need to have a subset of data, and the data should be good enough to prepare and segregate your data. And for segregating the data, you categorize those data into a categorical way, and then you need to select the model, actually what model you are going to apply on the from the input data or a trained data, and you need to train the data and validate it with the data, and then you need to come up with the final model. And then once you go with several validations on the model, and then you need to optimize and you need to deploy it. Once you deploy that, you will get the results, and it is automated. So this predictive model will help you to find the to predict the data, to predict the pattern and everything, and followed by the optimize the model will satisfy the quality and the efficiency, speed, and the cost. These are all the four things that needed for any optimizing your model, actually. And I hope this presentation will help you on a higher level to know about the business analysis, wise business intelligence, and across the degree of intelligence and the business value. Thank you. Have a nice day.